This app can turn you in a singer, a rapper overnight. It's crazy, guys. AI application pretty much makes music for you, and I'm pretty much showing you how to pretty much use it. And yeah, stay tuned. And so here, this is pretty much the home screen of the application. Nothing hard for you to not understand. As you can see here at the top, you may see describe music, and let's say you have something in mind. You don't know want to write music about a dog, cat, whatever the case is. You don't have anything in mind, however, you can tap on get inspired. It will just give you something random. If you don't like what they have given you first, you can always tap on it and just tap on it. Pretty much look for what you want. So that's it for that feature there, and you can always set the mood or the tone of the song. So as you can see here, productivity, uplifting, happy, confident, whatever the case is, you can pretty much select the mood for the music. And if you don't see anything in that section, you can always tap on the more option here. This is all the moods that you can select. So it's all up to you. So let's put on dark mode. But anyways, you can also select the genre, whether it be hip hop, cinema, whatever the case is, rap, pop, whatever the case is. Let's say you want something fresh. You can tap on random here, and we'll just give you, it will just use something for you. And now in the advanced settings here, you can pretty much enter the song name, and also you can use vocals. Whether you want to be a female singing a song or a male singing a song, all of these can always be changed within the application. However, so do keep that in mind. And also, if you want the background to have a studio type of background noise in it, or if you want a live concert type of vibes, so whichever one works for you, you select. But those are for the advanced settings. If you don't want anything in the advanced settings here, you can always turn off the vocal option, or pretty much don't select anything here. So that's pretty much it for that there. And the AI cover is once you have generated AI music, will pretty much show up here. And once it shows, what I got to do is just select that music, and you can start creating a cover for it. Also, again, add your own voice to the music. As I said, it doesn't matter if it's male, female, sing. Once you have generated it, you can always change it. Also, not just only your voice, you can also change it to other voices, but these are just some word little voice we can select, but nothing much for that. So that's pretty much it for that here. And the explore option here, you pretty much can go and see all the other things that everybody have used the application have generated. So as you can see here, this is pretty much music that other people have generated within the application. You can also go ahead and download them. Not just listen to them, you can go ahead and download them. Let's say, for example, this one with pretty much a lot of plays just for summer. You can tap on it, or tap on this down here. And as you can see here, the music is playing. But this is pretty much created by the app itself, so not by other people. But let's say these ones here, these are new releases by other people. And this one here has been created by someone. But you can also go ahead, tap on the three dots over here, and also download the music and also download the video. But it's not showing much. But you can do both. And also you can use this song by just tapping on AI cover and pretty much use your voice for this song, or you can use somebody or one of these robot voices, whichever one you choose. So that's pretty much it for that there. And you can always recreate. It's pretty much the same thing, but you will just select all the lines that they have used, created the song, and also the everything basically. But will be in the generating section here where you generate your own music. You can always set the mood and everything. You can change those stuff. And in the library, this is pretty much where you will see all the music that you have generated within the application. So you can easily find them. So for the pro option, as I can see here, you will need a pro option for For long-term use of this application, you will be able to generate AI music for free. So these are pretty much your subscription prices. And as you can see here, they don't offer any free trial, which most applications do, but this one doesn't. And as you can see, only the subscription, say manually, and here the subscription. So whichever one you want to try out, let's say you want to just try it out, can work with the weekly subscription, and you're good to go. So that's pretty much it for the subscription there. And as usual, it will just give you a starter pack, which pretty much give you 3 free music generation. But it's not free, but I mentioned there's a price there. Just call it $1. So that's pretty much it for that there. I'm gonna stop and decline offer there. But that's really pretty much it for that there. Nothing much, and you can always invite your friends to receive free credits by just stopping on the star kind of top there. You can pretty much invite your friends. So that's pretty much it for that, and do make sure you log in, guys. If you do not log in, you may not be able to get back your subscription, but do make sure you log in, guys. And also you can see your deleted music in this section, but you pretty much have to log in. So that's pretty much it for this application. If I miss anything at all, please, got one thing before you go, guys. The image to song, I forgot it, but you can pretty much select any image you see on the internet and turn it into a song. But you don't have to put in the description of songs. You can see here it's optional, but you can, however, put in something, let's say, describing the image and so forth, but nothing much. But yes, you can use this feature as well. It's the same thing as generating music using just the song description, but this one you can use the image and generate a song. So that's pretty much it. And with all of you guys, make sure to subscribe my channel, hit the notification bell. See you guys in the next tutorial.